Hey, what's up, Vechain coin holders? Many congratulations, my brothers. This time, as you can see here, Vechain a price will pumps up, and I have a second good news. During the 5th November, the very huge explosion is coming soon. Definitely, these two big news is my friend. Hope you will understand, and if you understand, so definitely you will better get a profit. So let's get started a brand video. But please, if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel. Click the red button and subscribe this channel, and please press the bell icon for videos notification. So hope you subscribe it. Please, if you are new, subscribe my brothers. Thank you so much. My friends, the wheat price is increasing in last 12 hours, just in only, as you can see here, 1.61. So if you everybody know this, my friend, to those especially short time investor are starting selling. So when a holder are starting selling, definitely the price will dumps down. But when a holder are starting buying, then absolutely the price will pumps up. So you can see here from last 24 hour, the price is very badly dumps down. You can see here, especially as you can see in the start of last 24 hour, this coin is completely go down. But don't worry, after, my friends, on the 1st November, 100% I will give you guarantee, my friend, to the price will be increasing now. So therefore I will notify you to in 5th November the very huge explosion especially coming soon. Kindly don't miss, my friend, this explosion, because if you are starting already, my friend, starting selling, then absolutely buy it again, my friend, in the 1st November. 100% if you starting in the 1st November. So the first event is on 1st November, and the second, my friend, is on 5th November. So therefore don't miss these events, my friend. This is very important for all of you to get a profit. So if you or follow my advice, my opinion, 100%, my friend, you will get a profit. So kindly, my friends, please wait for the 5th November. I hope, my friends, on 5th November they will do something very special and something very new for all holders. Now the CEO of Vechain Coin, my friend, personally says to in upcoming time we are going to collaborate with a lot of companies. So my friend, if they will just in only starting collaboration, then 100%, my friends, the Vechain price will pumps up and hit easily, my friend, 0.2 USD dollar at the on 5th November, on 5th November, my brothers. So kindly wait for it and don't starting selling. I hope they will make you millionaires. See you next time, holders. Kindly like video and subscribe channel.